We all have that feeling when we upload a brand new video and it start getting some views, but after 2 days it's just a flat line. This was happening with one of my clients' video every single time, and we fixed that by using this powerful framework. In this video I will show you why your videos are stuck after 48 hours of uploading and how you can use this 5-step framework to revive any video that stop getting views. So what's really going on when your video just stops after 2 days? When you upload a video, YouTube doesn't blast to everyone. It picks a small group, maybe your subscribers, some people who post similar content like you, which is your core audience. And YouTube watches what they do. Do they click on your video? Do they watch? Do they leave after 10 seconds? If people watch, YouTube think, okay, this video is good. Let me show this video to more people. But if they are not clicking or they are not engaging, YouTube thinks, nobody want to watch this video, so it stop pushing your videos. But here's the thing, it doesn't mean your videos are not good. Maybe YouTube is just showing your video to a wrong people, or maybe there's something you can fix and you can actually get YouTube to test your video again. That's what this whole system is about. I call it the second chance strategy. It's 5 simple steps that you can bring any video back to life, and I have used this for my clients, and let me break it down for you. The first step is signal. This is where you need to fix your SEO so YouTube knows exactly what your video is about and who to show it to. Most people upload a video and think YouTube will figure it out. But that's not how it works. You need to tell YouTube what your video is about using the right keyword in the right place. Here's what you're going to do. First, you go to your video and look at your timestamp. If you have generic timestamp like step 1, step 2, change them right now. Use actual keyword like people are searching for. Let's say your video is about losing weight. Don't write step 1. You can write how to lose belly fat. Don't write step 2, write best food for weight loss. You see what I am doing? I am using real search terms that people are actually searching on YouTube, because here's what happened. YouTube read those timestamps, and sometimes Google will rank those individual chapters in search result. I have had people tell me they searched something and clicked the result and landed at a specific timestamp. This step can bring a dead video back to life because you are giving YouTube better signals about who should see your video. Step 2 is refresh. This is where you need to update your title and thumbnail to make your video feel fresh again. Here's a trick that works almost every time. If your video is about something that can be time sensitive, just add the current year to it. Let's say you made a video about 6 months ago called Best Side Hustles to Make Money. It got some views, then died. Don't delete it. Just change the title to Best Side Hustles to Make Money in 2026. Then go to your thumbnail and add 2026 somewhere on it. That's it. When you do this, YouTube treat it like a new content. It will test it again, and people who are searching for 2026 content right now, YouTube will show that video to them. You can do this with everything. Morning routine videos becomes morning routine for 2026. Best budget cameras becomes best budget cameras in 2026. It works. Even if your videos is not time sensitive, you can still refresh it. Look at your thumbnail. Is it clear? Does it grab attention? If not, make a new one. Look at your title. Does it make people curious? Does it promise something valuable? If not, rewrite it. Sometimes all your video needs a good packaging. The content inside might be perfect, but nobody clicking because the outside doesn't look interesting. So refresh it and give it a second chance to make a first impression. Step 3 is hook. And this is probably the most important step in this whole framework, because here's the truth. Most videos don't die because of bad content. They die because of first 30 seconds are boring. Go look at your analytics right now. I bet you will see the biggest drop happens in the first 30 seconds. Why? Because people clicked on your video expecting something, and you didn't deliver it fast enough. Maybe you started with, hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about something. And by the time you get to the actual point, people are already gone. So here's what you need to do. Watch the first 30 seconds of your video. Be honest with yourself. Does it hook people immediately? If not, you have 2 options right now. Option 1. Go back to your old video editor, cut out this slow intro and just start with good part. Then re-upload the video. Option 2. Re-record the first 30 seconds with better hook. Then re-upload it with a new title and thumbnail. I know re-uploading sounds scary, but if your videos is already dead at 150 views, you are not losing anything. And here's what a good hooks looks like. Start with a problem. Make it relatable. Something like your videos get thousands views, hundreds views, then stop. Here's why. Then tease the solution. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact framework I use to fix this. That's it. No long intros, no flop, just straight into what they come for. When you fix your hook, everything changes because now people are actually watching past those 30 seconds. When YouTube sees that, it starts pushing your video to more people. Step 4 is connect. This is where you connect your dead video into a video that actually getting views, because that's what happening. Your dead videos is sitting there by itself. Nobody is watching and YouTube doesn't know where it fits in your content. So you need to manually create a pathways that lead people to it. Here's how you do it. Go and find your top 3 best performing videos, the ones that are still bringing in views every day. Then go into each one and add a pin comment at the top. Something like, if you find this helpful, watch this video too, and link to your dead video. Found this helpful? Watch this video next. Also add it to the description, put it near the top where people can actually see it. YouTube lets you add these little pop-ups that recommend other videos, use them. And add a end screen to connect a dead video. And what are you doing here is sending people who already watching your video, and when YouTube sees people clicking and actually watching it, it thinks maybe this video is good and it will start testing it with new people. I know this sounds like a lot of work, but if you really want to revive a video, this is what you need to do. Step 5 is amplify. This is where you use YouTube Shorts to drive traffic to your long form video. YouTube actually let you link your shorts video to specific long videos. So when someone watches your short video, YouTube will suggest your long form too, and go into your every short on your channel and link your video to it. If you don't have shorts, make some. You can literally clip 30 to 60 videos from long videos and upload it as a short form content. Put a good hook at the beginning and show the problem or most interesting part, then tell people to watch the full video for the complete solution. And here's the cool part. Shorts are way easier than long form videos. You can batch create like 5 shorts in an hour. So use them, amplify your reach, get more eyes on your content. Now after you all do this, how do you know if it's working or not? Most people look at total views or average watch time. Those are fine, but that's one metric that matters more than anything else. Go into your analytics and look at your retention graph. Scroll all the way at the end. If 30% or more people are making it to the end, that's a really good sign. Why? Because YouTube cares about keeping people on the platform. And if your videos keeps people watching until the end, then they watch another video after. YouTube loves that. So don't focus so much on where people drop off. Focus on making your endings strong enough that people actually finish your videos. Give them a reason to stay. Don't just say thanks for watching. Set up the next video. Create curiosity. Keep them on YouTube. That's what algorithm want. So that's the second chance strategy. 5 steps to revive any dead video. Signal, refresh, hook, connect and amplify. But here's the thing. If you really want to get out of most of your content, you need to go back and review all of your old videos, because most people have videos sitting there that could be getting views with just a small changes. I actually made a complete video where I break down how to revive your old videos and optimize them properly. It's going to help you turn your whole content into a content library that works for you. I will put on a screen right now and you can watch it next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.